Welcome to Aid Production. It's a short video about Perth Mint as a status of the silver market right now in Perth, Western Australia. As you can see, there is no available silver on Perth Mint website. There is nothing you can buy right now. Not a kilo bars, not a kilo coins, nothing. Everything is either unavailable, sold out, or is not in production anymore. That's quite frustrating. Even the Perth Mint website says that there is no shortage. Obviously, there is a shortage because the products are not available. Thanks for watching.